Divine shifts in consciousness. A message from the Masters of Light. Dear beings of light, you must be prepared for the next 6 months of constant and drastic changes in your consciousness. Prepare for continuous changes and alterations within your being. Everyone will experience changes in the near future. Your consciousness is undergoing tremendous transformations. If you approach your life with an open mind, you will be surprised at how much it has already changed and continues to evolve. Thus, those who believe that nothing is changing on the planet will soon witness the opposite. The planet is moving toward a transformation, and what you use as time is moving much faster. It is changing according to the divine plan. The changes in people's consciousness are occurring at a pace unprecedented in the history of human development on Earth. The resistance of those forces that represent the illusion is evident. They act through anyone who harbors imperfections and chooses to succumb to these internal forces. Therefore, I urge you to carefully analyze your actions, motives, and reactions to others' actions. The process of karma return is also accelerated. Previously, you might have faced the consequences of your actions only in the next incarnation, wondering why you were born under such unfair conditions. Now, you have the opportunity to face the consequences of your erroneous choices within a year, and in some cases, almost immediately. Observe the law of cause and effect at work in your life, in your relatives, and in those around you. Simply view your circumstances from the right perspective and with an open mind. Everyone now has the opportunity to witness the law of karma in action. It is impossible to blame God, claiming that some people behave improperly but still remain unscathed. Look closely, and you will see the outcomes for those who disregard divine law and pretend to be masters of the universe. There is a universal law and a definite order in the universe. I am pleased to inform you that order will be established on planet Earth in the near future. The divine law will increasingly manifest in people's lives, making it increasingly difficult to ignore. It is similar to swimming against the current in a strong body of water. No matter how much you try, the current will carry you away because it is futile to struggle against God. You should comply with the divine law that operates in the universe. We are vigilantly ensuring that the rise in vibrations on the planet does not lead to major cataclysms. So far, we have managed this. However, the process of change will proceed more smoothly if you remove from your consciousness all those obstacles that hinder your transformation and progress on the path of change. Every time we come and remind you of the transformations and changes that the Earth is experiencing, there are always skeptics who claim that nothing is changing in their lives, and they notice nothing. We are glad that the changes are so gradual and mild that many do not even perceive them or choose to ignore them. Now, I would like to share something very important. It concerns your journey along the path of initiations. Regardless of your desires, your advancement is only possible when you assume certain obligations before the Ascended Masters and accept the laws existing in the universe. Right now, many of you already have this more advanced consciousness transformation and are connecting with the universal root, which many are managing to do. 1. Energetic connections with people without knowing them. 2. They can change timelines consciously and unconsciously to improve their lives. 3. They can perform one of these types of healing: reconnective healing, distance healing, connective self-healing, healing with angels, and reconnection with the meridians and Earth's energy. Also, many will feel and know that great truth that is always mentioned. They will cry with emotion and will understand the true connection with the universe. In these 6 months, many will be filled with joy in their hearts and committed to expanding their energy towards others. As soon as you position yourself on the steps of the hierarchy with these levels of consciousness, all the Ascended Masters will provide you with their patronage and help. The only thing required of you is your humility and the discipline of a disciple of God, who has all the power to be part of this great universal change. We are your masters of light. Our connection with all of you is now infinite. Thank you for vibrating higher. Thank you for recognizing your inner power. And thank you for connecting with all the divine energy of the universe. I love you all very much. I am Zoe, voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.